Chemical softening is a controlled process by which mineral scales such as calcium carbonate and silica are formed and effectively removed from the Chino Desalter's concentrate stream. Removing these elements is important because they can precipitate as salts that will plug the reverse osmosis membranes or the Santa Ana Regional Interceptor brine pipeline. This mineral scaling on reverse osmosis membranes or plugging of a brine disposal pipeline with salts is often a hazardous, labor-intensive, and expensive problem to fix. There are two chemical softening steps at the CRF: pellet softening and a high-rate solids contact clarifier. There are 4 pellet softening reactors at the CRF, which operate as an upflow fluidized bed softening reactor. That means that pellets of calcium carbonate are formed, grow, and are fluidized by water flowing up through the reactor. From an opening at the bottom of each of the pellet softening reactors, a series of nozzles distribute and evenly mix the depressurized concentrate. Specially designed chemical injection lances dose lime, soda ash, and caustic soda into the reactors. These lances are long rods that distribute the chemicals evenly in the reactors and are designed to be easily accessed so maintenance can occur without disrupting the reactor operations. Next, small calcium carbonate seed crystals are added to the reactors. The chemicals dosed by the injection lances encourage calcium carbonate from the Chino Desalter concentrate stream to grow on these small seed crystals. Eventually, enough minerals accumulate and the seeds turn into heavy pellets that collect on the reactor bed until a pressure sensor indicates it is time to remove them. The calcium carbonate pellets that are formed in the pellet reactors are recycled and sold for commercial use. Once the pellets are moved from the pellet reactors, they are transferred into storage hoppers above a truck loading dock. The dock has a scale system located directly below the storage hoppers that allows truck drivers to drive onto the scales, load pellets, and receive freight documentation without having to move their vehicle. This efficient process ensures drivers can deliver the high-purity calcium carbonate pellets to the customer as quickly as possible. The pellets have many industrial uses, including construction, agriculture, and steel manufacturing. The CRF pellet softening process removes 27,900 pounds per day of high-purity calcium carbonate from the flow stream, allowing the minerals to become a usable commodity instead of remaining in the plant's waste stream. That's almost 14 tons of pellets per day. After this process, the pellet reactor outflow, called effluent, travels to the high-rate solids contact clarifiers, where it is further treated to remove silica, which allows further water recovery from the Chino Desalter's concentrate stream using a subsequent secondary reverse osmosis process at the CRF.